Just a second, guys. What's happening? Man. Yeah, whatever. Whatever, we're going. I don't care, man. Pin. That's fine. Yeah, whatever. Okay, there we go. How you guys doing? What's up? What's happening? Who is in the house? Neglect, yo. The big move. 1, 2, 3. Attila. Neglect. Jesus says, hi man. Hi man. How you doing? Make me mod now. Neglect. I can't make you mod, man. Actually, I can make you mod, but like wife is the boss, so she decides who gets the mod. Dodge ADA XRP algo. Yeah, maybe. Serious Beats. More information XRP analysis will be good. Sure, man. Let's talk about Dodge. Hi, Jesus. Yeah, we'll talk about Dodge. Tom Wilkins. I know we're having a correction, but it's tied to any new information like SEC confirmation. No, it's not. Like everything is dropping. XRP. Talk about Pornhub buying Bitcoin. Is Pornhub buying Bitcoin? I don't know about that. I thought they already did buy Bitcoin. Anyways, as you can see here, what we're gonna do, because last time when we were doing, people are just paying me in the chat all the time, like, hey, do this coin, do that coin. Like, so what we're gonna do now is we're gonna write on here about which coins we're gonna do today, and then we're gonna close the poll, and then we're gonna do those coins, and then we're gonna be finished. So there will be no new coins added once the list is full, and we're gonna take like 10, 20 coins or something like that. So let's see. What are we gonna have? XRP. If your coins is on the list, don't mention it again. Besides that, shoot. VAT, we're gonna do that. What am I seeing? BTT, you wanna see BTT? Let's see, IOTA. Martin, good evening, congrats on the 10K. Thanks, man. Thanks, I appreciate it. It didn't take actually that long time, but my son loves your channel. He likes it when you say the last adopter and says it along with you. Samurai Jack, thanks, man. I appreciate it. That makes me happy, man. I'm trying to keep it family friendly, because I do know that a lot of kids are watching the show with their parents. So ADA, Dodge, yeah, we'll do all this. Let's see, ADA. Let's see, Dodge. Of course, we gotta do Dodge. How many we have now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Chili's, yeah. Chili's. We'll do. What more? Dodge, Chili's, STMX. Yeah, STMX we can do. STMX is okay. I cannot mention STMX. What? Data Doppler is great. Thanks, man. Appreciate it. Greetings from Indonesia, brother. Thanks, Jimmy. Appreciate it. LTC. What do you want to know about LTC? LTC does exactly the same thing as Bitcoin, man. Uniswap, sure, man. Uni is very nice. Good choice, man. Good choice. Rune, it's launching, but seeing what we could have learned in the lead up. Rune. I don't know what it is. I have to expand it. Okay, we can add Rune. I don't know what Rune is, but sure. I don't think a lot of people want to know what Rune is. STMX, Pundix, sure. Pundix. What more do you see? Holo, I see Holo there. Holo there. Let's see, Holo. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Live Reads, where are you from, my man? Thanks, I'm from Norway. Matic, we can do Matic. Matic is nice. Okay, Algo, sure, we can add Algo. Algo. Link, sure. You want Theta, of course. Nulls plus Reef. Okay, we can add Reef. Nulls as well. I don't know what Nulls is, but sure. What more are we gonna do, guys? Tron? Yeah, sure, we're gonna do Tron. Tron. By the way, how do you feel about music, guys? How do you feel about music? It's free music, so you know, YouTube music. Win, please, man. Do we have to do Win? I'm gonna do Win just because everybody is very excited about Win. But let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Maybe a couple more. Let's see. NKN. Yeah, we can do NKN. I want to see what's actually happening with NKN. I was once bashing that token. Was that 21? XRP. Yeah, we gotta do XRP though. XRP. Yeah, that's about it. I think it's enough coins for you guys. Yeah, we got XRP, we got a BTT, we got Doge, we got VAT. So yeah, we got big ones. So XRP is two times. Yeah, XRP is 2 times. Okay, sorry. Okay, another coin. The first one who pops a coin gets the coin on the list. Cake is nice. There we go. Okay, some guys said Neo as well, so we can do Neo. Neo. I want to see what Neo does, so that's why we're doing Neo. This is getting quite big, so it's gonna take a long time. It's gonna take something. Okay, guys, that's it. That's the list for today. I'm not taking any more requests. I mean, I might, but you know, because last time I did this, a lot of people are just spamming the chat. I do this, do that. So we kind of just let me scroll. Not this one. Random. Yeah, it's random, but the color source. And this one, we're just gonna change this one to say something else. Yeah. No more coin token requests. Polls closed. There we go. Hi guys, so basically this is a 10k sub stream. I thought I should do something special for it. I did something when we had 50 subscribers, then 100, then I think we did 500, 1000, and now we gotta have 10k, and after that it's gonna be 100k. Guys, I gotta show you something. Wait, I gotta... Oh, what's happened there? That wasn't supposed to happen, man. Not that one either. This one. See that? How do I turn this? Presented to the late adopter for passing 10,000 subscribers. Yeah, my wife bought me this. This is the second one in a row because I have the 1001. This is the one when I got the 1000 subscribers. So now I get number 2 on the list. And number 3 on the list, that's when YouTube sets me one for 100,000. So we gotta pump those numbers as well. Aye, it's gonna be nice. How you guys doing? Congrats. Thanks, man. Yeah, it's nice motivation. Yeah, you know, you pump the numbers, you get to certain numbers, you should get something for it, you know. So all good, all nice. Yeah, she does some nice things for me, so that's definitely. We got PTT Dodge Millionaire. TL to the moon, yeah. Okay, let's get started. We're gonna start with the XRP. If I go here and I change something, I go back here. Here's also this is gonna be pain in the you know what. You know what we're gonna do? We're gonna let me just a second. Just a second. Okay, you can do it like this. Then just changed. Yeah, sure. Okay, we're back. There we go. Okay, so basically we can just change like this, right? Yeah, it works fine. XRP is the first one on the list, as you can see here. XRP. So once we do it, we're gonna do like this. Okay, so XRP. Let's see what's actually happening with the XRP. XRP 175 down 2.43%. We're gonna look at this on the daily, because everybody is looking at this on the 30-minute chart and like, oh, we're crashing. We are not crashing, guys. There is nothing. It's not a crash. It's nothing. It's a normal sideways movement. Did you say that we are crashing here or here? Was this a crash? Like, sure, it goes down and it goes sideways and continues going up. It goes down, goes sideways, continues going up, you know. It's just normal market move. You hit some kind of target, you go down, you go sideways. Yeah, you know, it's normal, but you have to stop watching the 30-minute chart. Go to the daily, see what's happening on the daily chart, and look at this. It's nothing. It's nothing. So let's see right over here. XRP looks very good, as I said in today's video. The rubber band index is at 81 and the weekly rubber band index is at 82, so all good. We don't want to look at this right now, and MACD is looking quite nice. It's sitting above all the moving averages. Not 4 hourly, it just popped down to the 20 moving average, but it's still no problem. Still in uptrend, had some small correction but after hitting 1.9. Next target should be 2.7. XRP is looking good, guys. I don't know why you are. Put some lines to see how you are doing. Put some lines, okay. Okay, so basically you take this one. This is a thing that you use. Okay, you cannot see it, and you use magnet. So you put it there and you go there and you put there and like, oh man, that's a bad one. That's a bad, because it cuts kind of over there. Then you move it a little bit. Let's try something else. Yeah, almost there. Not quite. It's kind of there, but it's not all the way there. Maybe if you use this one, yeah, it fits a little bit better. But then I don't know, man. I don't know. Maybe we should put this one over here. Yeah, this is nicer. But this is a very nice. Maybe this one over here, and then this one, something like this. Yeah, and then you do it like that until you find the one that fits the line, and you're like, yeah, that's nice. You know, sometimes it doesn't always fits the lines, and then when you find it actually fits the line, you're like, oh, that's nice. So you know, here's one that fits the lines nicely. You can see there support, and now it's hitting the support again, but these two lines actually doesn't mean too much. They should be actually down here at this one over here. So maybe something like this. Maybe this is support zone actually, and right now it's actually hitting support zone. XRP looking good, man. XRP looking good. You cannot complain about that. Kind of there, but not yet there. Loving it. Yeah, I mean, technical analysis is kind of like that. Like you got too many wicks, so you do what you can. That's XRP, man. XRP looks nice. I don't know what you guys complain about. XRP looks very good. I know we are going down, but we hit the target, and now we are going a correction, and then we're gonna continue going up until technicals change. Like, you know. Let's do next one. VeChain. VeChain looking mighty nice. I mean, when everything was dropping, this 4-hourly chart, let's look at a daily chart. Daily chart looking real nice. Only had this small pullback below this line. So basically VeChain is going into this in this kind of channel right now. It's now speaking the speed in the channel up here, something like this maybe. It's picking up speed in its channel, so I'm expecting actually to break on the upside up here and go for these targets to 26 and 40. At least the 26 target up here, somewhere 24, 25, something like that. But it looks nice because it's not overbought on the rubber band index, and also the moving averages are looking very nice. It's above all the moving averages. It's a strong uptrend definitely. 1 hourly it's kind of getting some kind of pullback, but it looks like it's gonna go. So VeChain is looking, it's in strong uptrend. Don't go down to the 1 hourly chart just like I did. Like always only look at the daily charts. I have to tell you guys, you are looking too much on the small time frames. Too much on the small time frames. So you gotta zoom out and see the big picture. Big picture, this is uptrend, there is no problems and stuff like that. Also Bitcoin as well. We can check it. Bitcoin is down 2% today, but man, it's up by a lot. You know, it went above this all-time high, right? And now it's retracing to test it as support, and everybody's complaining, oh, Bitcoin is going down, it's crashing, end of the bull run. It's just testing the support, guys. Chill, you know. So it went above it, it goes down to test support. Like, there's nothing wrong with it. Bitcoin is super bullish, man, super bullish. I don't know why you guys complain about it. Only sitting at 61 on daily, and weekly is all the way down at 72. Like, super bullish, super nice. Let's move on. That was VeChain. VeChain looks nice. Now we do BTT. Now I got some bad news for BTT though. We're gonna look at how it looks now, but I don't think that it's down 7% today. So what I'm gonna tell you now, I already told you in the video, if you're watching the video, I think maybe this is some kind of a falling wedge. Maybe. These lines are not actually conclusive what this actually is, but might be some kind of falling channel or something like that. So we just have to go with the flow and see what actually is. Maybe something like that. It depends. Let's move up to time frame and see what's actually happening on the time frame up here. So basically we went all the way down to on daily, down, touched the 20 moving average, touched this support at 69, and now we're pulling back. So basically if we want to keep this super bullish, you want to stay above 79 line, but right now it's all the way down. Now this candle isn't closed, and just like yesterday, this candle was all the way down here when we were looking at on Patreon, right? But during the day it crawled back up again. So if this crawls above this 79 line, this looks fine. Even this above the 10 moving average looks fine, but we got the bearish cross up here. We are below the 10 moving average. We are going through the weekly correction. This second correction, we are extended from the 10 moving average on the weekly chart, and the previous week we got this down 78. So right now the RSI is at 72, so this can look good, but I think we need another week. There is just too many other coins that are looking super bullish, but we haven't hit the bottom yet. If the 20 moving average is the bottom, good for you guys, but right now I don't see the bottom yet. So you gotta check it a little bit more, you know. Wait a little bit more to find some kind of bottom, some kind of patterns or something like that. Then we can roll with this theme. But right now it looks like it's in a downtrend or consolidation period. So especially on the weekly, extended from the 10 moving average. I wanted this 10 moving average to come a little bit closer, so it's gonna take at least a week for this to be nice to look at. So that's BTT. Now doing IOTA. Where is my IOTA, man? Where is my IOTA? Have I missed the reef update? No, man, we did not do reef yet. What about Dodge? We're gonna get there. I wanna know if Tron is a good entry now. I don't know, man. I think if you zoom out and look at the weekly chart, everything is a good entry. I'm serious. If you, it doesn't matter what you take. Like, you look at the weekly chart, like, it's a good entry. That's why I'm saying the crypto works on the weekly charts. By the way, where's my IOTA, man? Somewhere right here. IOTA. Wow, look at that beauty go, man. Look at that beauty go. Daily chart, strong uptrend. Get out of this triangle that I drew for I don't know how long ago. Strong uptrend. Let's see. Yeah, 62 on the daily, 82 on the weekly. Yeah, this looks very nice. Right now it's getting through this these resistance lines on the way up. So like right now hitting the last resistance line up here at 2.2. Let me just change this symbol, not symbol, scales, symbol. Yeah, I don't know how that popped up there. So right now it's getting this through this resistance. You can see here trading between them, trying to break them. Some are easier to break, some are harder. Now it's hitting this last resistance at 2.2. Once the 2.2 is broken, it's going to go all the way up to 3.5 and try 3.5 and 4 resistance before it goes further up. But yeah, look at this move up here, man. This was how much was this? 100%. Yeah, that's a weekly chart. 100% on weekly. Yeah, it's nice. Right now it's hitting the 10 moving average on the weekly and start pumping again. So this looks very nice. IOTA is a good in my book. Very good in my book. Where are the targets? Targets are 3.5 and something like that. 3.54. But it has to break this resistance up at 2.2. That's IOTA. Now we go to Dogecoin. So guys, I know what's Doge at right now? At 122. It's bleeding. So for you guys that haven't been on our Patreon and you don't know what's actually happening, Doge usually before had this thing where it pumps on 1 hourly chart. So if you look at 1 hourly chart on Doge before, it pumps on 1 hourly chart, right? It goes to pumps up and it hits this 10 moving average, pumps up, hits the 10 moving average, pumps up 10 moving until it is finished, right? And that happened before as well. Here we go. Doge pumps, hit 10 moving average, pumps, hit 10 moving average, maybe break some down here and then continues pumping on the 10 moving average. So basically it pumps and holds the 10 moving average in the pump. Unfortunately it did not do that for that long up here. We pumped on the 10 moving average until we hit some kind of top, and now we are correcting down. Definitely correcting on the 1 hourly chart. On 4 hourly chart we can still go down all the way down to 0.1, 0.5. On the daily we are extended. So how many days is gonna take for these 10 moving average to pick up with the price? That depends. But right now we are watching actually the 4 hourly chart and see how that's gonna go, because 4 hourly chart was all the way up at 93 RSI and now it's correcting down to, still got 42 minutes to go, but it's getting it down to 72 levels. So it might actually find some kind of bottom over here. Let's see if we can, because this should be natural, some kind of resistance, and then you don't have anything weekly or something like that, because we are at all-time high. Yeah, so there is no more resistance on upside there. 4 hourly cannot help you. Like right now the resistance is actually all the way up here, up top, but support lines, the only support we got now is these moving averages. And 1 hour, and 1 hour, you can look at 1 hourly, but it's quite bad. Maybe down here somewhere. It depends. Nobody knows how long it's gonna go. I'm betting my stuff on the 10 moving average on the 4 hourly to find some kind of support there, or these wicks down here at 11. So that might actually be it. But it's a risky investment. Doge is very risky. So. You know, not quite sure what's gonna happen with Doge. Elon Musk tweeted about it. People have FOMO into it. It's high volume. It pumped a lot. Basically, it pumped like something like 100%. So it's normal to have some kind of correction. When it's gonna pump, hard to tell, guys. Hard to tell. But right now on the 1 hourly, it's even breaking the 20 moving average. It's still got 40 minutes left, but it's not that optimistic right now. Not that optimistic right now. So we're just gonna see where it's gonna find support and what's gonna happen. You gotta ask yourself, is this gonna go down to 0 or something like that? Like how long can it go down? The support should be down here somewhere around like 0.085, but I know most of you guys did not get it there, so you're gonna probably be in loss if it gets to those levels. Hopefully the daily will catch up after a while, or the 4 hourly, and it will bounce. Hopefully on the 10 moving average, but you never know. It's kind of hard to figure out where it's gonna actually stop or not. So the only thing you can do is actually follow the price until it actually stops, and then say, okay, that is the bottom, now we're going up. So until that happens, nothing. Troy says 125 PHP, not sure what kind of currency that is. Says link, bro. Yeah, we done, man, and I got link on the list. So where's link? There is link. So just wait, man, a moment, and it's gonna come, man. Go check the uptrend, dude. Uptrend on Dodge. Yeah, it's nice uptrend, man. It's going up. I didn't say this is crashing. It's correcting or consolidating. It's consolidating, so you're gonna see what's actually gonna happen with it. But it's hard to tell what's gonna happen with Dodge right now, because we don't have any clear-cut support right now, because it's broken these top bottoms up here. It looks like, especially this one down here, this all on the 1 hourly, it broke that, and now it's going for below the 20 moving average. So we can look for this one at 11. It might actually hold, depends. Once it gets to 11, maybe this 10 moving average will come up here, then they will meet, and they will create some kind of support. That's a possibility. That's a possibility. Let's move on. Let's Dodge. Let's do ADA. ADA looks nice, man. Don't you think, guys? Think ADA. Let's see on this on daily. Look at this week. So basically yesterday we got above the all-time the local high over here, and they closed above there, and today we went all the way up and victed this upper line resistance back down to the 131 line, and we are finding our way to sit in this middle of this rising wedge up here. But at the technicals looks very nice. It's in an uptrend. It's gonna go higher. When it's gonna go higher, it all depends right now. I mean, this is the trading period, right? Because you can see here on the daily that the moving averages 10, 20, and 50 are way down here. So it's probably gonna have some kind of sideways movement, something like that, and wait for the moving averages to come pick it up. Before that, like, there's not much you can do. So maybe somewhere around here, like in a week's time or something like that, a couple of days. Depends how fast moving averages move, right? The message wasn't for you, bro. Okay, guys, take it easy. I'm in full panic without other analysis. Yeah, analysis. No, you know, guys, number one, you are looking at this daily candle, then you go to the 5-minute chart, you know, and you see it went all the way down. Oh no, it's crashing, where is the bottom? Probably because you either bought high, or you are gamblers, like, and you see this drop over here. You always have to look at the daily candles, guys. Always daily candles or weekly candles, else your heart is gonna go melt. You know, you have to have a certain perspective on things. Right now the candle is red. Maybe it's gonna go a little bit down, but if you had bought like down here or something like that, and you get to these levels up here, it doesn't matter what it does, because you bought down here. So where you buy, it's very important, and unfortunately if you buy some kind of tops, you're gonna have a hard time. But the best thing to do is, like, it's not go into the 5-minute chart. It's not going to 5-minute chart. Bro, you think VeChain $1 end of bull run? I don't know, man. I can tell you whether I think maybe VeChain is gonna be maybe next week or tomorrow or something like that. But on the end of the bull run, man, I have absolutely no clue. Mr. Adopt, man, do you think the Coinbase IPO will affect things positively? No clue about that either, man. Have not actually been thinking about it, so I don't know actually what's gonna happen there. They are saying that this is gonna affect Binance valuation, maybe Bitcoin valuation and stuff like that. I don't know. Some of that might be FUD, some of that might be shilling and promotion of crypto. I don't know. My baby Ada. Good evening, Sabara Wolf. Good evening. Correction of Ada. There is no correction, man. We have been going through correction since what's that? Since February or mid-February. Ada has been going through correction. I think correction is done. Ada broke the 130-140 resistance, which is now support, and next resistance is obviously around 1.516. Yeah, well, it hit at 1.5. Actually, it hit 157, so that's in the area, right? I know just the trick to make him talk about Ada. Pump the likes up if you're reading this. Yeah, do that. Click the like button. It doesn't really matter. I'm doing it mostly for you guys. Is BNB going to retrace? Yeah, we are not gonna do BNB. Nobody mentioned BNB, so we got other coins. Okay, let's continue with coins, guys. Let's continue, guys. That was ADA. ADA looks nice. Chili's is an interesting one. Chili's is an interesting one. So basically, Chili's is over here, and Chili's popped out, was riding this falling wedge, popped out hard out of the rising wedge, and then above the 10 and 20 moving average, and then it went for retracement. And today is still going for retracement or support testing, retesting of support on this line. So it's holding the 10 moving average, so hopefully it can go a little bit up to above 49, something like that, and then it will be close above the 10 and the 20 and the support line, so that would be very nice. Besides that, it's still a little bit above the away from the 10 moving average. But besides that, the technicals looks nice. It's sitting now 73 levels. MACD on the weekly looks nice. Daily is all the way down to 50. We are waiting for the bullish growth that should come soon. I don't know quite, but it is above the 10 and 20 moving average. So now it's a question of time. It's a question of time. I would like to be really bullish. I think we should start getting above this this level up here first. That's somewhere around right now it's around 0.63. So if we can get above 0.63, then I could say okay, it's starting going up. But right now it's getting ready to go up. It's getting ready to go up. So Chili's definitely looks bullish, but it's not quite there yet. But it looks bullish. It's finding some bottoms. I think it actually found a bottom. So right now it's like sideways movement. What's gonna happen? We just have to see when it's gonna start pumping and stuff like that. Actually quite good. Actually quite good. To be honest, like Chili's has been correcting for 1, 2, 3, 4 weeks. This is 5th week in the correction. So it's probably gonna slowly climb its way up, but it's gonna take time. I think we're gonna see. I don't know how many. I don't think it's gonna take like 2 more weeks, something like that. But anything can happen. Chili's STMX. I think I have STMX on one of these. Here it's STMX. STMX actually looks terrible. Let's start with the daily. First of all, on the daily you got this bearish cross on the MACD. You are falling below the 10 and 20 moving average. There was this support line down here that you're actually falling below that. So all in all, everything was terrible. Like yesterday, you kind of managed to close above the 20 moving average, but this 10 moving average like holding the resistance, and it's pushing the price further down. So this is correcting definitely. On the weekly chart, you can see here. It's above them. It's above the 10 moving average. Previous week we closed at 79, so this week we are actually getting to very nice levels at around 70. So maybe still this week before it finds bottom and starts going the other direction. But right now today it doesn't look good. It doesn't look good. Minus 40%. So depends on where it closes, but it should close above this support line up here. If it doesn't, then it might actually go further down. But just being below the 10 and 20 moving average on daily is bad. Being below the 10 and 20 moving average on daily is bad. There are better options. Litecoin. We're gonna check Litecoin now. Let's see Litecoin. Litecoin is just doing the exact same thing that Bitcoin does, man. But it got this. Litecoin got this triangle type thing going on, right? And it's broke out with a triangle, and now it maybe has this. This is not precise TIA, but it's like somewhere there. And the problem is this isn't the any kind of I might call it somewhere around there. That's why it's because these bottoms over here, and then so you got the resistance, support. So maybe that's some kind of line. Not a very good line, not precise. Yeah, but it's hitting this 271 target, and that's here weekly. I think. Yeah. Let me zoom in. Yeah, that's the weekly top. So these two targets are actually the last targets the Litecoin has to break to get the all-time high. So basically the 271 and 312, those are the two targets it has to break. So once it breaks those two targets, it can go higher. It can go a lot higher. But right now it's getting some kind of resistance. The moving averages looks very nice, of course. It's going up, keeping the 20 on the 4 hourly. And let's see the RSI stuff like that. RSI looks nice on the daily and the weekly as well. Yeah, it can go higher. I think it's just waiting for these moving averages to pick up with the price, just as Bitcoin is doing right now. Moon music. Is this good quality content or not? Yeah, is this good quality content? I don't know if it is, man, but I don't know what to do for 10k sub special, man. Am I gonna juggle things or something like that? I'm not quite sure. Proud to be an early adopter of the late adopter. Thanks, man. Appreciate it. Reef going to one soon. Reef going to one soon. Yeah, I hope that. I hope, man. I hope Reef going to one soon. Go back and watch about BTT. Sushi, please. What the fuck is that music? Yeah, the music is free music from YouTube. You know, it's free music. So I won't get any copyright strikes or anything. So it's music, so enjoy it. Somebody made it. Somebody was sitting there for hours trying to make this music, you know, it was figuring the sounds and stuff like that. And at one point it was like, this is okay. I think I'll send it to YouTube. And that's how we got the free music. So appreciate the music, man. I don't care what kind of music it is, just somebody made it, so we're gonna appreciate it. Yeah, sure, there's better music, but it's music, man. Like this song is nice. Free is good. We are all poor. Yeah. First auto-generated AI music, bro. Yeah, we should have auto-generated AI music on YouTube, man. That would be so cool, man. You could like set the sound like you want it chill, ambient, maybe a little happy, you know, maybe hip hop, something like that. And the AI would create the music for you, and it would be like one of a kind music never heard before, right? And everybody on YouTube could use the same AI algorithm, and it would just create like millions and millions of songs, right? And then you would have this big library of music that never have ever heard before. And sometimes, you know, we would everybody would listen to this music, and we would find bits and pieces that are really, really good, and we would create channels just for this AI generated music, and we will be like, this bit and this piece is superbly great, and we will be like listening to AI generate music all the time, man. So somebody gotta create AI generated music. Okay, let's continue with the stuffs. Okay, so basically these are the ones we did. Let's do this. We did XRP, we did VAT, we did BTT, we did IOTA, we did Dodge, we did ERA, we did Chili's, we did SMTX, we did Litecoin, and now we at Uni. And if you wanna see that, just go back in time, guys. Just go back in time. Also, I just got a new Patreon. Eric says, hello. Eric actually doesn't say anything, but Eric joined. So Eric, thank you for joining Patreon. Let's see Uniswap. Let's do Uniswap. Where's Uniswap, man? And guys, remember, always zoom out. Always zoom out. Uniswap looks fantastic, man. Uniswap looks fantastic. It pumped a lot like 3 days ago, and then yesterday it had a small retracement. Today is also a retracement, but you can see the retracement goes only to the 34, to the all-time high here, the resistance, right? And right now it's testing as a support. This is superbly bullish. I mean, if you do not see it, then you know, what can I say? But it's 60 on the daily, 70 on the weekly. This looks great, man. The Uniswap looks very nice. It has the retracement, and you know, buy the dip kind of stuff. Not financial advice, you do what you want to do, but you know, Uniswap looks nice to me. But you guys have to, I mean, I seriously, you guys stop watching these small time frames, like and you're like, oh man, it's going down, when it's gonna stop, you know, and then you don't have these lines, it's going down, and you don't even have the moving averages, so you're just looking at this, it's going down, and then you zoom out like this as well, oh, it's going down, and then you go down to 5-minute chart as well. Wait, Then go to 5-minute chart as well, and you're like, oh man, it's just going down, just bleeding all day, bleeding. Oh, help me, I'm panic attack. No. And then you go to the daily chart and you pop your lines and pop some moving averages, and like, oh look, it's keeping above the 10 and 20 moving average. Nice. Oh, I just got out the triangle. Nice. Oh, look at it. There's a resistance line. It's just testing a support. Oh, very nice. Oh, this is super bullish. So stop watching small time frames, guys. Uniswap looking nice, very nice. Rune, I don't know what Rune is. Somebody told me in chat to do Rune. I'll do Rune, man. I don't know what Rune is, but we'll do Rune. So I'm excited. I have never done this before, so I'm excited. I want to see what it is, and I don't know if this is the longest. July 20th. Let's see if Rune has any bigger. No, July 20th Rune. Maybe some other FTX. Hitbit is usually had. Oh, Torchain. This is Torchain. I never did Torchain though. It is Tether. Yeah, but this doesn't look nice. Rune, is there something better? Torchain dollar. Maybe it started in January. No, I don't think it did. Sushi swap, yeah. We're gonna use Binance. It's fine. So it's basically, it's pumping a lot like crazy. You can see here it's mooning like crazy. Let's see the weekly. What's happening on the weekly? Weekly is hitting 95, so I would definitely not get into this right now. Guys, if you're seeing Tor and you think it looks nice, don't go into it now. If you're a hodler, maybe you should be thinking about exit strategy. Let's look at the daily. Daily is sitting at 82. If it goes even higher than 82, it's gonna hit these 90 levels. If it starts hitting 90 levels, it's gonna pop. So this bubble is primed to pop right now. Let's see my secret weapon. This on the daily, it actually is following it nicely. So it corrects a little bit every time it hits these tops up here. Let's look at the 4 hourly. Maybe we can see something better on a Rune chain. Yeah, but this is. No, it's fine. Right now it's not yet popped the bubble. It's right now this move isn't yet finished, but it is getting quite high. So let's go back to the, let's see the monthly. I don't think we can get anything out of monthly. Let's go back at the weekly. Previous stop up here, but it just continue going down, up. It's under 33. Let me see a little bit more on the previously here only at 68 had a small correction, and then I had a correction up here. It is getting to some higher levels, so I mean this can probably push it even further up. I really don't know, but I wouldn't get into this because it is so extended. So if you're already into this, good for you, man. It looks like it's pumping. I think I will be watching the daily RSI and see some overbought levels around the 90 or something like that, some kind of pullback. But I don't know how long this can continue, man. I don't know how long this can continue. It was holding on 4 hour, it was holding the 50 and 50. When it starts holding the 20 and the 10 and still keep on pushing, maybe that's the game over part. But right now, it looks fine. Like here had this dip over here, that shows you just this is up a big pump, man. So I don't know. I won't get into this. It's look good. So if you're holding it, good for you, man. Good for you. But for new guys, I don't think I would have done that. I don't think I would have gone into this right now because it's so overextended. So let's see. Boss of Nooks. Hey man, how you doing? I saw a lot of your comments on the YouTube. Thanks, man. Appreciate it. Ada is drowning. No, it's not, man. Ada is fine. Did you do AVAX? We don't have to do AVAX, man. AVAX is doing nicely. Hey David, how you doing, man? David is very active on the Telegram, Patreon Telegram group. Shibans. Torchain is the real deal. You can swap native BTS. I have absolutely not a clue what the Torchain does, but right now I'm looking at it. It's just going too steep for me, man. Too steep. It will run to 40. Yeah, I have some AVIX. You know, guys, this is taking a while, so we got a lot of coins to get through. So let's get through the coins that was run. Let's go check Pundi X. I think it's this one, right? Yeah, no. Am I? Isn't there Pundi X versus Pundi? Okay, can somebody tell me if Pundi X has actually USD pair that isn't like 4 days old, or it's only versus Bitcoin or something like that? Or because I've been hearing about Pundi X for a long time, man. Why am I not getting it? MPX, yeah. Is it still MP? Did everybody change it? Is this the chart or is this old chart? This looks like something weird. MPXS. Rep Tether, Bitcoin, Tether. Hit BTC. Is this the chart? Is it 0038? Okay, let me see. CoinCap. Pundi X. Pundi X old, Pundi X NEM, Pundi X new. Pundi X. Is it Pundi X new or Pundi X NEM? I'm not quite sure. Pundi X old. Pundi X new. 3.9. Is it 3.9? NPXS is a few days old chart since it changed to Pundi X. Boss of Nux, $2. Thanks, man. Appreciate it. There's some kind of thing there. Works, says work. Thanks, man. I appreciate it. $2 is $2. It's going towards my wife's iPhone. if you guys get the joke. Yeah, but when I write Pundi X, like I cannot do technical analysis on this, you know. Anyways, using too much time, so we're not doing Pundi X because I don't get it. We're doing Holo chain. Where's my Holo chain? I have it down here. Holo chain. There we go. And we got to reset the music. There we go. Show must go on. Okay, Holo is going through a correction, guys, by the way. It went all the way up to 95 on that's why I'm saying the rune is getting some high levels, because it's hitting 95 on the RSI on the weekly. And you can see here it hit 95 on the RSI, and now it's correcting it back down. It went down to 72, now it's all the way down to 65, which are very nice levels. So I don't know how long it's gonna take, but weekly it's hitting some nice level. But it's quite bad because it's below the 20 moving average and it's falling further down. We also got this bearish cross on the daily chart, and that kind of indicates that we are not quite done with this move yet. So keep on watching the Holo, but right now it's like 10, today is down like 10%, but it's in some kind of consolidation. Everything, there is no corrections over here, it's only consolidations, and everything goes sideways to the, after it pops, finds some kind of retracement, gets all the people weekends to sell, and once that's done, it's continue to move up. So keep it in mind. Holo, that's Holo Matic. So basically Holo is if you hold it, you can maybe continue holding it, but the daily RSI looks nice, and the and the weekly RSI also looks nice, but I think the week has to end to get this nice RSI. Wow, that's one ugly song, man. Yeah, well. Holo, man. It's going through correction. Matic looks beautiful, man. I'm gonna show you Matic. We are now at Matic. Where's crypto? Not this one. Let's do Matic, guys. Matic looks so nice. Where's my Matic, man? There's Matic. Oh man, we're gonna go to daily for this. It's about to get this bullish cross on the daily. It's sitting at 58 on the daily RSI. The weekly RSI. The only thing is that weekly RSI is still kind of high. It's all the way up at 58, but it's kind of getting hit almost by the 10 moving average. So I think it's kind of fine. So we gotta see, but it's kind of getting hit by the 10 moving average. On the daily, it looks very nice. On the daily, it's been sitting at this 20 moving average for 4 days, right? And now pumped out of this triangle, and right now it's retesting as support. So if you get this bullish cross up here, like, it's nice, it looks very nice, but then it has to break some resistances on the way up, and I would say this one. You can see here at the top over this, it's actually where it actually stopped on the previous pump. So once it's done with this retracement and retest on the line, it will try to again to break this line over here, and if it manages to break that, then it can go a lot higher than that. So Matic looks very nice, guys. Matic is definitely in the books, and you can see here when I do technical analysis, I don't go do technical analysis 4 hourly. If I want to do technical analysis on the 4 hourly chart or 1 hourly chart or something like that, and number one, if I do it on the 4 hourly chart, I do it just to confirm the moving averages to see if the price is going where I want to go, or to draw lines because I need more points to put my lines on. But basically it's usually just daily and weekly, and it works. It's very efficient in figuring out the trend, and that's what you want to do. So where were we? We did Matic. Matic was nice, man. So we have been done XRP, VAT, BTT, IOTA, Doge, ERA, Chiliz, STMX, LTC, Uniswap, Rune, Holo, Nutbundi, and Matic now. And if you wanna see any of these guys, just go back into the video and find it. Algo, let's do Algo. I have Algo here. Why am I going all over there? Algo has some. Algo is an option. There's a lot of line here, so I'm gonna clean this up for you a little bit. You can see here, Algo popped over here and then went to this 50 moving average, and keeping the 50 moving average up. Now it's keeping the 20 moving average, and it's continuing going up. So this 50 is also gonna continue. So it is clearly an uptrend up here, holding the 10 and 20 moving average. And these lines that you see here, those are the resistance line on the way up that it has to break. Because we had some previous action going on here, so it comes from this action over here previous. So if it can manage to break these lines up here, I think it can go quite high. Let me see that. Yeah, so it's almost there, but it has to it's slowly moving upwards, and the RSI is at 50 daily, 59 and 70, so all good. Do you have bullish cross? Yeah, we do. So it's looking nice. It's slowly climbing up. I know there's a red candle up here, but the red candle only goes down to the 20 moving average, and it's actually holding right now above the 10 moving average. So this is an option. So Algo looking very nice, very nice. Okay, that was Algo. Neo, I want to see what's happening with Neo. Long time since I looked Neo. Let's use this one. Yeah, we haven't broken all-time high. So let's do some quick analysis. And for you guys that want to do learn how to do technical analysis, I'm right now creating technical analysis crash course that I'm gonna put on the Patreon. So you might guys want to check that out. You know, the basic thing we want to do, we don't want to figure out these things down here. We want to just figure out where our resistance lines are, where the supports and stuff like that are. There's some kind of trading up here, also here. So all of these, some are more important than other, but how do you like the lines, man? Yeah, it's gotta crawl through this, man. It's gotta crawl through this, but we're gonna look at the important ones. These are the monthly, and then important ones should be this one up here, this one down there, this one at the top there, the bottom here, and probably top up there. I'm gonna do it like this, and this one as well. So although there is a resistance here and here, it's probably gonna get through them. Right now it's sitting at up there, so it's already breaking, so it's gonna get to the next level. Yeah, and this down here we don't need anymore because we have gone through that. We hit this top over here, so we're getting it through. Okay, so we got some kind of resistance line we can work with on the way up. I don't know, there are all the resistance lines. I cannot use 2 hours on this. So let's just see if we can pop some trend lines down here and see if they're gonna help us determine if this is, yeah, a very nice trend line. You see that? That's beautiful. When you use two points and then it connects with other points very nicely, you know it's correct, man. You know it's very correct. Now this trading period over here, it's gonna probably tell you where the price should be going right now. You can see here already. This is the line. So right now we are in some kind of uptrend and it wants to break. So basically what we're looking for now, let's pop the moving averages. Right now this triangle, whatever it's creating, it wants to break out of that as we start gonna hitting this resistance line on the top up here. So you might look for that. Let me see, 74 on the weekly, nice, and on the daily is 66, bullish. So indicators are fine. Moving averages on the daily, weekly fine, daily very nice. Moving averages, you can see it's following this resistance line, cannot break it, but it's getting pushed by the 10 moving average. So either 10 moving average is gonna push it out of the line, or it's gonna pop back down to the 20 moving average. So we gotta watch that. But 4 hourly, yeah, it's keeping the 50 moving average. It tried to go up here, but it got just back in. So it tried once, tried 3 times, tried to get out, it couldn't get out. But I think since it's all trying to get out of this so much, I think it's gonna break it here. And the next target should be around up here at 70 to 83 or something like that, if it actually manages to get out of this. So what am I gonna say for this? It's an uptrend, it's bullish, it's nice. Congrats to whoever holds this. Neon looks nice. Yes, where can I apply? Can you do chart analysis on XRP? It just takes too long, man. We are already 58 minutes into the live stream and we still got like 3, 6, 7, 8 coins left. My friend, can I have your opinion on this coin, please? Marlin Pond. I never heard about it, that's my opinion. Sorry, man. It's already 1 hour stream, we got a lot of things to go through, man. And I never heard about it. So, you know, there is a lot of coins. People ask me all the time, like, I have absolutely no clue. You know, I'm too busy with a lifetime duties, and then I got to make like 6 daily videos plus 1 altcoin video for the Patreon. Then I have to watch what other people are doing, then do some my own trading and stuff like that. I have no time, man, to watch what kind of new stuff is coming out. If you need any new mods in chat, David, and I would like to do that, man. I'll remember that, man. Send me a message on Telegram and just tell me who you are. So I probably want to get the mod right now, but like once we start growing and we need more mods, sure, why not? I just need somebody to remove the, you know, naughty pictures from the chat. David Shibans says this is way more stable for the stream. Singh says my follow Matic, Dodge, Neo, Uni, Link, Tron, VET, and VTHO. VTHO. Somebody asked me about VTHO and I don't know what it is. Anyways, let's move on to Link. Chainlink is actually doing quite nice. I don't know how high it's gonna go, but hey man, look at this. It broke. I did not see this. Yeah, it actually broke yesterday, but today it was kind of retracing, but right now it's up at 737. Looking sweet and nice. 37. Yeah, Chainlink is definitely an option. It's keeping above all the moving averages. There was this triangle going on over here that got out, and it got out all-time high, so it's definitely going up now. It's on 65 and 71 on the RSI, so it's not kind of overbought levels. It has room to grow. It looks nice. It only depends if people like it, you know. David, no, we don't do the long term here. No, yeah, we don't do long term. We just look at like what's the next target and what are we gonna. I have absolutely no clue what's gonna happen in 3 months time, man. And then people ask me, hey, what you gonna happen in 2 years, man? How do I know what's gonna happen in 2 years, man? How do I know what's gonna happen? Anyways, Chainlink looking very nice, man. It's going up, so just keep whatever you wanna do with it, you know. But it's nice. Theta, the coin that pumped the most in crypto, right? I don't know. I think this thing pumped extremely, something like that. Yeah, yeah. I think this is the coin with the most pump, wasn't it? From the top to bottom. Yeah, 37,000%. So there was some kind of lucky people that wanna get even more luckier. So basically, Theta is in consolidation or correction or whatever you wanna call it, because hit up at the 95 on the RSI and weekly, so it went, you know, it's sitting at 82. This is third week of consolidation. It's waiting for this 10 moving average because it just ran out way too far from the 10 moving average, so it's waiting for the 10 moving average. On the daily, you can see here it's falling below the both 10 and 20 moving average right over here today. Right now hasn't found any bottom, and we have the bearish growth. Doesn't look good. Don't know how many weeks it is gonna take left for it to consolidate. So there's that. I won't get into this now because I don't see any clear bottom right now formed, because once you have the bottom formed, after that you need some kind of a bullish signal that is going out of the bottom. But right now there is nothing here. Not only that, it's bearish because it's breaking the 10 and 20. So sorry about that, guy. Sorry about Theta, but it doesn't look good. Reef is actually now one of my favorite coins. Reef. It's not actually favorite. I've never traded the Reef, but I like it. The technicals on the Reef right now. I think it's very nice. I think it's super nice. And where is my Reef, man? Here's Reef. I think it's nice. I don't know why. I think it's beautiful triangle. It's beautiful triangle. It's actually doing it like almost like Cardano, like nice moves. And right now, for the last 2 days, 3 days actually, 5 days, it's sitting above these moving averages. Here on this day, it started trading a little bit down, but it ended above the moving average. So all closes, you can see it on this car, all closes were above the moving averages. So nice, man, so nice, super nice. And all the moving averages 10, 20 and 50 are sitting right here at the bottom of this line, so I'm expecting this to go high. But first thing first, we gotta get our triangle. Of course it can go on the downside as well, and I said also on our Patreon daily video that this line over here, this 100 moving average at certain alternate form, if we fall down, then we have to look for this support up here, but it should probably break on the upside. And then first it should break this one and 0.44, this top over here, and when it breaks, then it should probably go for the next level up here at 0.49. This is the important one, because both of these tops up here, this top and this top over here, both of these are holding the same line, and once we break that, the target should be all the way up 0.074. Because, you know, triangle up there and stuff like that. Reef looks very good. I'm gonna continue doing Reef daily videos on YouTube as well, and we also are doing a Patreon daily video. So whatever fits you, you know. But Reef real nice. I like Reef, you know. I like Reef more than Doge, and you know, when if you get into the Doge right now, Doge is actually crashing. Where's Doge? Yeah, crashing. It's up 23% today, but it's kind of down. You can see here the support line over here, it went below it, but it's kind of climbing up again. It's gonna try to hold it. So let's see 4 hourly. Yeah, it's going for it. It looks like it's going for it. This 10 moving average. We never know. Where's my Reef? Reef looks nice, man. We like Reef. Also, all the technicals on the Reef look nice. These MACD waves are getting smaller, and we are sitting at 52 on the daily and 67 on weekly RSI. So Reef, I like Reef, man. I like Reef. So let's say yes to Reef. Thank you, Reef. Very nice. And nulls. Let's do nulls. Nulls. I don't know what this is. This is daily. had some nice pumps. I have to do technicals again because I have done this before. It's climbing in some kind of channel. This is definitely channel. Yeah, I don't know if you can see it, but I see it. Channel or maybe... Yeah, maybe you can look at it daily. Yeah, it's nice. I like the line. You know, I don't know why. Some lines I just like very nice. So this is some kind of rising wedge. You want to look for escape out of the wedge, not on the downside, on the upside. On the upside would be nice. Yeah, it's holding the 20. The 20 and 10 are inside the wedge, but it's holding 20 right now. Let's see technicals. 56 on daily and 73. It went up to. It's fine. Only 73 on the weekly, but it has to close there. So yeah, it was climbing up to 18. Or it's correcting a little bit on the weekly. Weekly is below the wedge, so depends. It looks good. It looks like it's climbing. What do you want to see? That it breaks on the upside, not on the downside. So you want to go there, not there. If it goes there, then you have to start looking for the supports. If it goes up there, then there is probably some kind of resistance that I don't want to look for now. Let's see if we can find anything. Oh yeah, look. This is an important one. Did you see that? I just popped this one down, and my arrow was hitting it exactly. These are two very important resistances. This one is broken, so this is super bullish right now. Let's see on the weekly. Yeah, it's down here and up here. It's in the ballpark area. Let's just use these two for now. So the target should be around 2.2 from where it is now, so almost 100% up. That's nice, if it can actually reach that. Yeah, Avax looks great. Avax is nice, man. 181 people watching. How you guys doing? Do you like doing technical analysis, guys? I loved it. You know, I've been doing this for a long time. You know, I could sit all night long and just watch charts all night long, man. Nils looks nice. Tron. Are you interested in the Tron, guys? Where's my Tron gang? Who owns Tron here? How many Tron hodlers do we have here in chat? No Tron holders. One Tron holder. YouTube Premium has, yes, okay, one Tron holder, sure, nice. So what we want to see today is this candle. Yeah, Tron, yes, Tron, yeah, oh, there we go, yeah, we got some kind of lag on the stream. Yes, sir, I want to learn the undulate meter. Oh wow, there is a lot of Tron holders here. Oh, that's nice. Hi guys, how you doing? Okay, this guy's for you. I have a small bag. If that bag is in profit, that's not a bag, man. Nice, a lot of Tron holders, super nice. I like to see that. I like to see that. I'm gonna continue doing Tron on my YouTube channel, so keep on watching, guys. So basically, what you want to see on the Tron, this candle over here, the daily candle broke above the previous resistance up here, and that was very bullish. It was climbing this trend line and broke it, and now it's retesting the trend line on the week. And what we want ultimately to see right now is this candle closing above 0.13. If you can close the day above 0.13, I'm gonna be super bullish on Tron tomorrow. I'm not gonna be bearish if it does close below it, but it would be best if they close above the line. I mean, it will be super nice, because you can see here clearly that it's actually following this trend line real nicely. So I wanted to close the day above 0.13. That would be the best case scenario, I think, for Tron. And then after that, you got these, of course, these 17, 20, 22 resistance line on the way up. That you gotta hit and break, and how that's gonna happen, we just have to see and watch. But when we get to that, that's time to when we get to that. Moving averages are also it's sitting on the 10 moving average right over here. All the other moving averages are following it in nicely. On 4 hourly, I think yeah, it's falling back to the 50 right now. Depends on how it's gonna do, but the daily are looking nice. It's sitting on the 10 moving average, super nice. And the weekly is kind of extended. It's extended, but this is what it does. It was waiting, it was pumping here, then went to the 10 weekly average, then pumped hard, had a 1 week correction or consolidation, and now it's pumping again. So I think this next week is gonna pump again, and then you're gonna have this maybe 2-3 weeks consolidation to just wait for a moving average. So the next, how much was this pump over here? 100%. So yeah, sure, why not? If this goes all the way to the top over here, it's 80%. So it's a little bit above, but it's a new 100% pump. New 100% pump. That should probably get you in some kind of sideways moment after that. But it looks good. All indicators I think are looking good. 84 on the daily, so it's getting up there. It's getting up there. It's not 90 levels or anything like that. This is a weekly chart, 84. It's okay. And the daily is all the way down to 63, so it's getting ready to go hard. But I want to see what I want to see on the week, on the daily, is this daily candle closing above this top over here. If it can do that today, it's gonna be very bullish tomorrow. Of course, assuming Bitcoin doesn't drop like 2% and everything drops 20%. This should be actually good. We've been following Tron on our Patreon channel for a while now, and it's looking nice. It's looking nice, man. You know, when you buy these kind of coins, you know, and buy them low, you know, you gotta hold them for a while. It's not Dodge, you know. It's not XRP where it pumps like within a week. It takes a little while, but they grow. They grow real nice. That's why I'm saying you guys have to always zoom out. Who said? Carly says, "Thank goodness, because I was getting ready to sell Tron. Glad I didn't." You have to give price, because look at here. Imagine if you pumped here, and traders do this. Traders buy consolidations, sell the pumps, it goes down, buy bottoms, and continue going along. You guys who do not know how to do technical analysis or are not very proficient at it, don't know how to read it, you need to buy something at good levels and then hold it for a long time to get maximum profits. If you continue trading and start looking at the 1 hourly chart, a 5-minute chart, and stuff like that, like everything looks very, very bad when you're looking at this, right? 30-minute chart, people always look at, like, oh, look at these dumps and stuff like that. You have to zoom out and look what's actually happening. So if you look on the daily, you are going up, you are following the 10 moving average, you are a strong uptrend. Sure, there is a correction, but it's a strong uptrend. And on the weekly, it looks even better. Like you had 1 red week, 2 red weeks, 3 red weeks since February, like since start of the bull run. So that's why I'm saying, like, if you want to technically invest in this with like a lot of money, you should be looking at weekly charts. But I know that's not optimal for most people, so daily is fine. But you shouldn't go and look at the 1 hourly chart, stuff like that. It's just gonna mess up your health, man. It's just gonna mess up your health. Tron, nice. We like Tron, man. Win looks bad, man. I can tell you that. Win looks bad. You know, I know a lot of you guys are holding this, and you want me to tell you that, like, this dream fantasy, yeah, it's gonna go up right now. It's gonna go 1000%. You're gonna get rich and stuff like that. But I cannot do that with good consciousness, because right now that's not the case. Right now it will go up. I'm not saying it won't go up. This is a consolidation phase, and it will go after the consolidation phase, assuming the bull run is not finished by the time it's finished consolidating, because as long as the bull run continues, everything goes up. They just have uptrend consolidation, and just continue going up until everything pops, and then everything goes into a correction, big correction. But right now this is in a correction. You can see very extended from the 10 moving average. It hit 96 on the weekly RSI. Right now then it went down to 75. Right now it's hitting like 68 targets, which is actually quite nice, but it's still extended from the 10 moving average. And the daily just got this bearish cross up here on the MACD, but the daily RSI looks nice. So basically it's still going down it's still in correction phase. How long it's gonna do that, we don't know. We can just follow until it actually does and start getting some bullish signals, but right now there are not very many bullish signals. Like this week have to close in red, just so because this week has to close in red, just so this RSI will pull even more down. That's what I'm saying. So the faster it goes down, the quicker you can start getting your gains up. You know, if it just starts like going like this up here, then you have to wait a long time for this 10 moving average to kick in. But if it starts like going all the way down here, it starts hitting the 10 moving average, then you can already up here, down here, start being bullish and continuing going up. So it depends what kind of scenario you want. If you're already holding from here, what if it does this or this, it doesn't really depend. That doesn't really affect you besides your mental health, because if it does this, then you cope with it a lot better, because it's only like a little while and then the rest of the time you're like bullish. While if it does this for a long time, then you have anxiety, because you always think it can go down. So it's better to be over with the dump fast than to prolong it too far. I heard somewhere BNB could go to 400. Maybe it can do whatever it wants, man. The move upwards. Not sure if that's good source, but hey. Yeah. We can just do quickly BNB, way. Target was hit on BNB, by the way, guys. Daily. Where are my lines, man? I don't know where my lines are. I had a bunch of lines over here, now they're nowhere. Basically we had a target here at 676. Somewhere that was the target, and it kind of hit target, so now it's getting... the BNB is bullish. It hits some kind of 83 targets, but it did correct down to 70 or something like that on the daily, so no worries there. And this 88 is still not, because over here we popped the cherry at 96, so 87 on the RSI is looking fine. So I don't think this is actually finished yet. I think this is just having some kind of sideways movement before it bounces further up. But that's just my opinion. I don't actually know. I don't know how far it's gonna go, but I don't think. To me, that this doesn't look like it's popped the cherry. So I think this got more room to go. So like we said, win. No, thank you. It's gonna go for a while more. So I want to see what's actually happening with NKN. NKN. Yeah, 60 on the daily, weekly, it's now at 80, it's correcting, so it hit 97, 98 on the daily. Yeah, it went parabolic, it's now correcting. It's the first week to correction, keep that in mind. So just first week. And you can see here 4 or 5 days, it's just going right down, so this is a terrible buy right now. Terrible buy. There is no optimism until this RSI gets all the way down to like 60-70 levels, and that's gonna take a couple of weeks. So NK, no thank you. And the last one, cake. We gotta do cake, man. Is cake real? Is cake real? I like cake, man. So let's pop on the daily chart and see what's actually happening. I have no clue why this pops all the time up. Skills. Yeah. So we were doing cake and saw that it found the support at the 50 moving average, pumped all the way up to the all-time high, got some kind of retracement, then pop above the all-time high. Now it's looking to find the support on the 10 or 20 moving average. Cake looks nice, guys. Cake looks very nice. It's in a uptrend. Cake is in an uptrend, and it's holding the moving averages. So cake is looking definitely nice. If it goes down to the 20 moving average, even down to all the way down to here at 19, it's still good. I know you're looking at these two red candles for 2 days, but that's just normal movement. Go to the daily chart, pop some moving averages, 10, 20, 50, 100, 200 moving average, pop some nice resistance line, and you're gonna see that there is just normal movement. When you get extended, you pull a little back, you hit some kind of moving averages, because you cannot run away from moving averages too fast. They're just gonna pull you back like a rubber band. And right now it's being pulled back, and when it finds like kind of support, it's gonna continue up. So cake looks nice, man. Cakes looks very nice. And that, guys, concludes all the altcoins for today. Oh, that's why my altcoins were being not. What am I doing? What am I doing? What am I doing? Move down here. Maybe 400. What was I looking at here? How do I do this? This is so... we should have done something. There we go. Okay, nice. Cake finish. And that concludes like 20 plus altcoins on technical analysis. So we went through a couple of this. 1.5 hours, guys. I'm glad I don't have to do this until we hit 100k. No, it's very nice. It was very nice. It was enjoyable. It was better than last time. You know, last time I was just picking coins randomly from the chat, and people who are just throwing coins. So I felt kind of stressed out. So today we gotta have some kind of system for doing this, so people will be chatting about other things than just spamming the coins all the time. And I think it worked out better than the last time. I told you, ETH BTC valuation is going up. Yeah. What if you buy high and it goes below your buy-in price? Suggestions. Yeah, well, Carly, that's the problem. That's the big problem. If you buy high, you kind of messed up. So you have two options. Buying high means you probably are not a trader and you cannot trade charts, because if you could, you wouldn't buy high. So you bought high. Question is, should you sell and buy better? The question again comes, will you be able to determine where the better price in is? So the best thing to do right now, because it's a bull market, if you buy high, is to hodl. The way I see it, not the financial advice, but I don't know what you bought, but if you buy high, depends if you bought high something that's in uptrend or something it's in a correction. If you get into something like NKN that we just saw, this is on daily chart, and you buy here on the daily chart at the top and start splitting down, you are looking for maybe 3-4 weeks, over a month's time, for the price to do this. Okay, and this every moving average to push the price up. So you're looking for a very long time, maybe even more than 2 months, more than a month's time, for the price to move up. That means that you're gonna miss a lot of other gains that you're gonna make during that month's time. Wow, that music is annoying. I like this. This is fine. So basically, if you did you buy the parabolic pump, or did you just buy high? Because if you buy high on something like ADA, right over here, high, that doesn't matter, man. But even Cardano went through this correction of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 weeks, and it's now pumping. So if you buy here, it doesn't really matter, because a couple of days it's or a little bit more is gonna come there. But if you buy parabolic pump at the top, you're looking at weeks, maybe months. So it depends on what you want to do. Do you want to hodl that, or do you want to just sell and find something less? It was thrown at 0.127. So you bought it here then, in April, 5th April. If you bought here, you already held it through the correction. Because 0.127 is around here, right? So If you bought it up here, right, then you already held it through the correction, so you're good now. Yeah. Yeah, well, you see, this isn't parabolic move. This went 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 8 days. It's a little and a week. And these things you can usually hodl through, because if you start selling up here and it goes down and you think, yeah, it's gonna go lower, and it starts coming back up, and you buy maybe up, goes up here, and then you buy, and then goes down, and you start selling again. You know, if you're a trader, if you're not taking analysis, you can do that. You can see where the price is moving and maybe try to catch it. And if that's your thing, sure, why not? But people who don't know technical analysis just want to buy, and they usually buy these stops over here. The best thing is actually just a hodl. The thing you should do is go on the weekly chart. There is this RSI indicator, and on the weekly chart you're gonna be looking at this price. If it's above 80 or something like that, and you buy that, chances are you're gonna hodl for a long time if it starts correcting. So you don't want this weekly RSI to be above 90 or even any higher number. So it doesn't matter what you buy. If the weekly RSI is high, like something like above 90 or something like that, and it bubble pops or it starts correcting, chances are it might actually take more than a week for it to correct. So best option for people who don't know how to buy or do tech analysis, like looking at the RSI weekly chart and seeing that if you're gonna buy, it's gonna be like when the RSI is in the zone between 30 and 70, like something down here. Now we are done with the charts, guys. 1.5 hours. I gotta go and you know, do stuff. I gotta do stuff. How is everything else doing? How's Bitcoin doing? Let's go check Bitcoin. Minus 2% today. Are you guys scared? Seeing 2% dump. It's beautiful. I don't know why you people are panicking. I know it's a red candle, but it's beautiful candle. Like, look at this. Look at this perfect. You know, that's why I like tech analysis, because these things happen. Like, look at this. It'll be weak all the way down to the resistance. Or now testing a support. It's beautiful. There is no need to be worried about Bitcoin, man. If you start dropping below this level after tomorrow or something like that, then you kind of worry that something's gonna happen. But as long as Bitcoin goes up, everything else goes up. Alts goes up, everything, you know. Yeah, I'm sorry, guys. We are done because I'm really exhausted. But you can ask other question. Any question that isn't like check this coin for me. Silly noob question: how long do you think the bull market will last? 2-3 months. Nice, sorry, 1-2 months, like couple of months more, and then it's done. That's what I feel like. I don't think this can go over to December, August, September, December, November, whatever. I don't think we can manage above it, because. I'm thinking we're gonna get out of the triangle pretty soon, right? Once we get out of the triangle, we are no longer following this climb or this climb. We are gonna speed up, and once we can start speeding up, we're gonna be hitting some kind of levels that are really high. And once these levels are starting getting hit, we're gonna correct. So I don't see how. Maybe it's gonna be here in August or something like that. I don't know, but. I'm gonna give it to the summer, like longs, but I think like couple of more months and this is gonna be finished. Couple of more months. But I might be wrong. What are you more bullish on, Tron or Reef? Well, Tron is an uptrend. Reef is still in the triangle, so I'm more bullish on Tron since it's an uptrend, of course. But Reef looks nice, and I think Reef is gonna have better gains than Tron. But Tron is an uptrend. Reef is unsure thing. Thank you for this. You're welcome, mate. Where do you see BTC on 420? What's 420? Oh, April 20th. I don't know. 420, 50. Maybe top here, maybe the bottom there. Really, I really don't know. Tell me about COD, can I buy or not? Sorry, cannot tell you that. You're all crazy. No crystal balls. I hope Harmony and Hot do one more nice move before the end of the bull run. Everybody does, man. Where do you see BTC on 420? No clue, man. Inside the inside, somewhere inside this this wedge. What do you think about CBNC, China and other countries? Do you think US SEC will ban Bitcoin and will it drop? No clue, man. I'm not that into the regulation and stuff like that. You say that, but you don't go. Not quite sure what you mean by that. How's your health, my friend? Sometimes good, sometimes bad. Where are you from? We are from Norway. What's a good bear market strategy? Hold it in dollars or something, but dollars is gonna implode or something like that, so I have absolutely no clue. Maybe gold, maybe silver, something like that. Give it to your wife. She's cool. What do you think about chilies? Chilies looks nice. We did chilies and just go back in the video, you can find it. Also there is a no, there isn't video. VRX looks good to moon tomorrow maybe. No, sorry man. VRX I don't think it looks that good. Maybe, I don't know, maybe. If you don't know technical analysis, will your $1 Patreon page subscription help? Unfortunately it won't. $1 Patreon page is most like for support and chill out in the Telegram Patreon group. That's it. So it probably won't be that much of a help because we don't do that. But the $29 daily altcoin videos is a lot of help because we do like 50 altcoins every single day. So you might actually see what's gonna be what's good, what's not, if some technicals change, if the bullishness goes to bearishness, if something pops, you know, we follow it. Where do you see yourself on 420? Well, probably before in front of the PC making 6 YouTube videos a day and pumping my sub numbers. Hey late adopter, how you doing? Just right in your stream. What is it about? It's about technical analysis. We look at the prices of cryptocurrencies, we put these kind of lines, and then we figure if the price is going to go up and down. And then we do it for various tokens and stuff like that. This is, I'm done, you guys. You're never done. Thanks for assistance. What's up? No way. Do I have people in my bots in my stream? Ah man, can I sure? Why? There we go. There we go. Scammer. Hi man. Always I recommend your channel. I'm not remember you said your name. So what is your name? Well, people in Telegram group call me Magnus, Magnus Carlsen, so maybe. How many subs did you have 1 month ago? 1 month ago I had like something, I think like 500 or something like that. No, it's not 500, 5,000. So it went pretty quick, you know. Both me and CoinsKid, I don't know if you know CoinsKid, go check his channel. See, that guy exploded like crazy. We had 5,000 subs both at the same time. Right now I have 10,000, he has 30,000 subs, okay? So the guy called CoinsKid. Kid. Yeah, and it's hard, yeah. So CoinsKid, go check that guy out. Wait. Not this one. This one. CoinsKid, yeah, go check out CoinsKid. He went from 5,000 when I had 5,000 to 33,000, 34,000. He gets like 3,000 new subs every single day. He is crazy when it comes to videos and growing the channel. So I'm left in the dust, you know. So, but yeah, very nice guy, very nice guy. Go check him out. So yeah, I had 5,000, I had 10,000, so I'm thinking like in maybe a month's thousand I'm gonna have 20k. That's the plan, and then hopefully by the end of the bull run I will be having between 30 and 50k, and then in the bear market with 50k I'll be getting some nice money to buy me dinner and stuff like that. Coinskid, the Magnus of crypto. Thank you, man. You're a good guy. Thanks, I try to be, man. Nice to meet you, Remy. Nice to meet you too. Fireboys, what did you invest in the most? Most often or most money? Most money, probably Bitcoin. Most often, I switch coins a lot, man. Hey man, how cute is this? Yeah, the heart is very cute on Coinskin. Hey man, will your Patreon subscription have to profit in crypto even if I'm beginner? Well, you know, my Patreon subscription, $29, it's $29 for 30 videos, man. That's $1 per video. It's very, very cheap. You know, if you go to other Patreons and try to get the description about technicals and stuff like that, like it's extremely expensive and doesn't give you even the half of what we give. What we do on our daily altcoins video is we have right now 48 altcoins that are ranked up in tiers, like pumping, uptrend, almost there, right? And we look at the technicals and see the changes candle by candle, and see if it's uptrend, if it's good buy, bear buy. We have a whole list. I'm gonna tell you now the list we have on the, you cannot see a list, but list down here of no thanks coins. There it's STMX, Sand, Feel, NG Coin, COS, Dent, Hot, T-Fuel, BTT1, CKB, and Key SM, Kusuma. Those are right now in the no thanks tier, and the reason they are there is not because actually they are bad coins, because I'm always saying those coins that are in no thanks tier will soon be the best buy opportunities, but right now there is some kind of correction and they have to get out there. But those are kind of things you get through the Patreon and the altcoins video. It's since people have very hard time to distinguish what's a good buy, what is a bad buy, we do that and we figure out, okay, these are an option, these are good buys, these are soon gonna be good buys, and these are not very good buys. So basically that. So if you have hard time to distinguish which coins are good buy or bad buys, the Patreon will actually help you a lot. Thanks, you're welcome. You have the best intro ever. Yeah. The late adopter. Don't worry, going up, but safe. He may drop fast. Can you look at what we are done with the coins, man? I'm tired, man. Dodge is bleeding, if I'm not mistaken. 11 now. Yeah, we did Dodge, but this interesting look what's actually happening. If he's gonna find bottom somewhere. This 4 hourly, yeah, he's looking in this 4 hourly 10 moving average. Maybe that's the support he needs. So maybe we don't know. I've just joined his channel. He speaks senses too and keeps it real. Thanks, man. Appreciate it. For a bit sense toy, decent 20,000 bit and deal. Oh, that's some other language. I don't get it. That's not. What results can we look at on Tron if we invest? I don't know, 10%, 20%. I don't know how long you're gonna hold it, man. Take care, bro. I'm out. Thanks, man. Chat. Tez for joining. How can I join you? How can I join to you and check out those dailies? Go to patreon.com/thelate-adopter. It's on my YouTube page. There is a link, and you join there. After you join, you will get a message and give you a link to the TradingView channel, a Patreon exclusive channel, and also you will get access to all the altcoin daily videos. Storms also no thanks. Yeah, STMX or whatever it's called. It's a no thanks right now. I mean, it will be good buy at one point, but like the thing is, why would you buy these coins that already pumped way a lot and are now correcting when you have all these other coins that are getting ready to pump or are already in uptrend and are good buys, you know. So that's why we have this no thanks category. Because people see things like Chili's and BTT, and I think those are great coins and everything, you know, like, especially BitTorrent. I've been following it for a long while. I think it's a great coin, but once it goes parabolic and it kind of consolidates, you know it's gonna take a while. So why would you have your money sit there and do that and not buy something else? So we also make sure that we don't buy tops. SafeMoon, just buy it. Man, SafeMoon's a Ponzi. It works, but it's a Ponzi. Buying a little bag of hot isn't bad. I think it could go all the way to 0.0125. Thoughts, be aware. Nothing is bad to buy it. The thing is, when you buy it, do you want to buy it at the top or do you want to buy it at the bottom where it's going to go to the top? So the when is the question. No, the community chat is only the text chat, only the community chat, only the Telegram group. The videos is the daily outcome videos. Will hot break all-time high again in this bull run? Depends on the bull run, how long it's gonna take, man. I'm not quite sure. Thank you, man. See you soon. Thanks for your job, but you are mad. You're welcome. Can you please look at easy? Sorry, man, we're done. Is it one per day? No, it's 29 per month, but that comes to one video per day. $1 per video, not per day. $129 billion doji, a lot of dumping. Yeah, maybe it is. I'm just sure maybe you can ask to talk again about that. I do ADA videos every single day on our YouTube page. You don't have to join. If you're just interested in Cardano, go to my YouTube page. I do one Cardano video every single day and follow it strictly. So if you're just interested in Cardano, don't buy the Patreon, man. Anyways, I see people are kind of jumping off. Guys, it's been nice. It's almost 2 hours, so I gotta go do stuff. I'm glad I hit 10k. You know, it was a. Let me show you this again one more time, because my wife bought this to me, so I gotta flash it. See this? I don't know if you see it. It says, presented to the late adopter for passing 10,000 subs. Yeah. And the next one, 100,000, I'm gonna get from YouTube. So my wife said, I'm not giving you anymore. YouTube should give you next one. Yeah, enjoy the chat, guys. Enjoy the Telegram chat. I don't often write in the Telegram, but I do read a lot, you know. And you guys are quite funny. And you guys, I have to tell you again, you got to stop using the small time frames. Seriously, you got to stop using the small time frames. Like watching every time somebody, my wife would come to me and say, they are saying something is dropping in the chat, and I was like, what's dropping? Yeah, the Doge and Tron. Like, yeah, but it's not dropping. Yeah, but they're saying it's dropping, and XRP is dropping, and everything is dropping. Bitcoin, yeah, but nothing is dropping. It's just like having smaller red can. Yeah, and they're saying it's over. They want to sell. And then I go there, and then I have to look at that, and then I see that you're talking about 1 hour candles. Like, what you gonna do here? Best advice I can give you guys: keep it on the daily candle, and just watch that, man. And when you want to buy, you see that it's not some kind of top that's exploded. If it is, just find some other coin to get into. You know, there are like 2,000 coins. There must be one coin that isn't going parabolic that you can get into. Because if you get into these parabolic coins that do like 20, 30, 40, 50%, chances are you're gonna get burned. Okay, number one. Number two, if you do not know what to buy beside those coins that are going like 20, 30, 40% plus up and are green and everybody's talking about, you should probably have somebody else to help you with that. No, on our Patreon we just do these 50 coins. We do add and leave coins and stuff like that, but and people ask me about things on Telegram channel. That's allowed. Like, we chat all the time. Anyway, this is the time I'm saying it. Thanks for watching, guys. Was fun. I gotta go do other stuff. See you around, guys. Bye bye. Where's my stop button?